Hello, Suset! Happy 45 birthday! 45 ka na, pero you're still pretty and looking young, sexy. Uh, wish ko sana huwag kang magbago. Thank you sa lahat-lahat. Alam mo, nawala yung homesick ko nung nakabanding ko kayo ng family mo. Thank you kay Sir Noel, sa mamang mo, sa mga mababait mong anak. At sana huwag kang magbago. Dahil kahit alam kong busy ka, pag nag-chat ako sa'yo, talagang nasagot ka. At nung nakabanding ko talaga kayo, talagang nawala ang stress ko sa buhay. Happy birthday. God bless you and more blessings to come. I love you.
Oh hey mommy, but well, to greet you is happy birthday, and I'm glad that we're going at the restaurant tomorrow. I actually appreciate hanging out and chit-chattering, and at least that I greeted you happy birthday already.
Love, happy birthday! 45 ka na. Tagal mo na nagtitiis sa akin. Nung nakilala kita, 17 ka lang. 45 ka na ngayon. Tagal mo na nagtitiis sa akin. Eto ako sa labas eh. Winawalk ko si Yumi. Sige, I love you very much. I love you, I love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mommy. I hope you enjoy 45. Thank you for being a very good mom, and I love you.
Yan.
Hello po, tita! Happy birthday po sa inyo! Good health po, salamat po sa lahat ng binigay nyo.
Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday po!
Wala
Ikaw
na.
po, ang sabi mo?
Ninong.
Pangilo po.
Gusto mo ninong.
Ingat po kayo palagi dyan. Salamat po.
Happy birthday.
Yay!
Happy birthday, Pizza Suset! More birthdays to come! Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Happy birthday, happy 45 birthday, Pinsan! Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Happy birthday!
Okay, go.
Happy birthday, Vincent! More blessings to come!
Happy birthday, Pinsan! More birthdays to come!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Seth. Have a great day.
Good morning, Insan. Today is your birthday. Medyo maaga dito. Nagre-ready lang ako. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. So, ilang taon na tayo? Ako naman sa Monday. Ikaw today, you are 45, and then ako naman 46. Ano ba yan? We're getting older na. But sabi nga nila, it's only the number. Diba? We are still look young, even though our heart. Wish ko sa'yo is more birthday to come, and more successful, more happiness. Alam ko naman na masaya ka na with your family, your husband, your kids, your beautiful kids, your mom's there. Yeah, I'm so happy for you, Insan. Alam mo naman na ang dami-dami natin pinagdaanan. Pero look at us now, nasan tayo ngayon, o, di ba? Social. So, yeah, enjoy your special day with your family. Saan ba to? Naan sa akin ng hobby mo. We were talk yesterday. So, sana all may hobby na sweet. That's like to make you special for your special days. So, can't wait to see you on Thanksgiving. Insan, we're gonna spend and bonding time. So, hopefully, you enjoy your journey. So, ano ba yan? Ilang years na lang, 50 na tayo. Oh my God. Ayokong isipin. Pero sabi nga nila, life too short, so might as well.
Tisette, magandang araw po sa inyo and happy birthday po sa inyo, Tisette. And wish ko po na lagi po yung gabayan ni Lord, i-bless at more healthy po. Yun na po, te. Happy birthday po. Ingat po palagi.